Morning, everybody. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network with your Wednesday noises. Notes, it's hot again today and more humid too. Cold front coming in is going to be the trigger for thunderstorms. Not every storm is going to become severe, but keep in mind, any thunderstorms that do develop may contain lightning. So I wouldn't cancel your outdoor plans, but it is a day to be weather aware and have a backup plan should you need to seek shelter indoors. Keep in mind when thunder roars, go indoors. Meanwhile, there'll be more thunderstorms tomorrow ahead of fresh new air that comes in. We'll talk more about all of that and a look at the weekend in detail too coming up in Insights. So past plus future mode in our app, great tool to have. As clouds and sun this morning give way to building cumulus clouds this afternoon, temperatures rising pretty quickly through the 80s into the 90s. Many spots go 90 to 95 again today, a little relief along the coast of Maine and the south coast. By midday, we get a couple storms popping to early afternoon. So I think the time frame of biggest concern is about 2 to 10 p.m. Not every community is going to see a storm. Not every storm's on the stronger side, but look at the deeper oranges and reds in here. So heavy downpours, some brief localized flooding potential, maybe a couple of isolated damaging wind gusts too, as these do sweep through kind of scattered in nature, particularly from late afternoon through the evening hours. Temperatures at that point cruising back through the 70s. And so the leftover thunderstorms should tend to dissipate and weaken, particularly after about 9 or 10 p.m. We'll be waking up tomorrow morning with some clouds, breaks of sun, some patchy fog too, maybe a lingering shower along the south coast. So download our app if you haven't already. Make sure your location and alerts are turned on. 5-star reviews in our app is free in the App Store and Google Play, app.onedegreeoutside.com. Meanwhile, the heat risk today, big area of moderate to major heat risk again. This is day 4 of a heat wave here in many cities and towns where we hit 90 plus. Don't forget, we've got the 2-week dew point and feels like forecast you can plan, and that's included in each of our membership levels, no matter which one you sign up for. All the info on that is at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. High temperatures today, again, 90 to 95, and it's a little more humid. You feel the difference. It's soupy, little relief along the south coast, and there's going to be some low clouds and patchy fog in the Cape that kind of lurk. Classic summer day, right? Where you get some patches of blue sky that break through, and then the clouds will fill back in. Low 90s here from southern Vermont, stretching back into the Lakes region, southern New Hampshire too. We should hold off a sea breeze in many spots today. The wind out of the south-southwest about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Many spots in northern New England too, topping out in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Chance of some localized flash flooding in Vermont. That's kind of one of the only spots where we've had rain over the last week, so keep that in mind today. There'll be a number of thunderstorms that start to pop as early as midday. And then northern Maine, we're still running 90 to 95 degrees, a little cooler with some relief along the coast of Maine, where we'll be running in the 80s, and it's a chance of thunder until later on today in those spots. It's going to be muggy and uncomfortable for sleeping tonight. Some low clouds and patchy fog. Any lingering showers or storms will tend to dwindle. There may be 1 or 2 that linger along the south coast, and most of us running in the 60s to 70s in southern New England. Again, more on the extended forecast and insights coming up. If you've got a birthday celebration coming up, maybe get some 1 Degree Outside merchandise. We've got gift cards on there as well. Swag.onedegreeoutside.com.